You see guys, you hear that sound? Like fireworks. This one guys, Panasonic refrigerator, my Unica here. We will check now guys. First, we will check the compressor, the relay, the PTC relay guys, and after we will check this thermostat. This thermostat guys. We will unplug this one guys. We will check now the compressor guys. This the one guys, the compressor. I will clean this one first guys before we will start checking the PTC relay, and we will check also the rated current amperes for this compressor. We will clean first and check the PTC relay. Okay guys, we will test now the compressor amperes. The rated current amperes guys is 0.70 amperes for this unit. So the compressor is working and vibrating. So 0.9 now guys. So the compressor is still okay. So we will check. For sure, we will check the PTC relay. The PTC relay guys, this one. Okay guys, I will unplug now and we will check the positive temperature coefficient relay. I unplug already ka-senior guys. Use a screw and okay guys. We will check now guys, common starting 20, common running 31 guys, 32, 19 plus 19 plus 32, 51. 51, we will check running starting guys. 50 guys, running starting 50, common starting 20, common running 30, common running 30, so 50 guys. So this compressor is okay guys. So we will check why not cooling properly. Again, we will check if this is grounded but shorted, but I know it is not shorted guys. The compressor is okay guys. There is no shortage of winding. We will remove now the thermostat, guys. We will check now the thermostat. We will check now the thermostat. This thermostat, guys, is okay. We will replace now the bulb. Indicator bulb, guys. So we will return back this one now, guys. Okay, guys, I return back already. Hello, guys. We will replace this relay, guys, and the overload. Coffee break, guys. This one, guys, the relay and the overload. I buy new one to replace. I will install now this, guys, overload and the start relay. So there is already lights, guys. The indicator bulb is already. So we will on the thermostat, guys. See, guys, working now. We will check the amperes, guys. Point 6.7. We will check, guys, if it will go up. 0.9 now, guys. Still 0.9 amperes. Guys, so 30 minutes now already. I don't heard any sound, knocking sound, guys. The compressor is working good. So we will observe the sound, the knocking sound. We will wait, guys. You see, guys, we will increase the temperature. Number 3, guys. So the indicator light bulb is okay now. Before it is busted. So now it's heating also. We will check this. We will check. Okay, tasin nyo, guys. We will observe now the knocking sound or the cracking sound. Hello, guys. We will check now, guys, after 12 hours operation. You see, guys, now cooling. You see the freezer, guys. I make ice yesterday after I troubleshoot and repair this Panasonic refrigerator. Guys, kasi nyo, you see now, it's cooling now, guys. Cooling now. So, our project yesterday is successful. Our troubleshooting and repair and replacement of parts is successful, guys. See, guys. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos, and for those who are new in my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tap notification bell for you to be informed for my next videos. Okay guys, thank you and God bless.